Are you searching for a pair of wireless earbuds that won't break the bank, but promise to deliver top-notch sound quality and comfort? Look no further than the TOZO T21 earbuds, which are creating quite a buzz in the budget market. Known for their sleek design and impressive features, these earbuds seem to offer a lot for a surprisingly affordable price. But the real question is, do they live up to the hype? In today's review, we're diving deep into TOZO T21 to uncover everything they have to offer. So, if you're curious to see whether these earbuds are a smart buy or if you should keep your wallet tightly shut, keep watching. As you receive your package, the first thing you'll notice is the simplicity and elegance of the TOZO T21's packaging. It's compact and minimalistic, adorned with the TOZO logo prominently displayed on the front with a clear image of the earbuds and some basic specs and features listed in an easy-to-read format on the back. Upon sliding off the outer cover, you are greeted with a neatly arranged interior. The earbuds themselves are nestled securely within a protective casing that ensures they arrive in pristine condition. TOZO includes a USB-C cable for fast charging. For those who want a little guidance, the quick start guide is straightforward and to the point. The TOZO T21 charging case is slick and pocket-friendly, sporting a robust matte finish that resists smudges and scratches, keeping it looking fresh out of the box for longer. Front the case and you're greeted with a neat LED display that shows you exact battery percentages. And on the back, there is a USB-C port for fast charging. The TOZO T21 SE design and comfort are standout features that deserve a closer look. These earbuds sport a semi-in-ear design that echoes the classic Apple AirPods style, a nod to the familiar, yet distinct enough to stand on its own. The body of the earbuds is made from a smooth, matte plastic that feels light in your hands, but sturdy enough to handle daily wear and tear. This feather-light design means you can wear them for hours without the usual ear fatigue associated with heavier models. With a touch interface, T21 aims to keep things intuitive and hassle-free. The responsiveness is commendable. Unlike some earbuds that might require a firm press, these react to the lightest touch. With an IPX8 water resistance rating, these earbuds are built to survive. Whether you're caught in a downpour or sweating it out at the gym, the TOZO T21 earbuds feature the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, ensuring a stable and quick connection. For codec support, the TOZO T21 earbuds keep it straightforward yet functional. They are equipped with the standard SBC and AAC codecs, ensuring solid audio performance across various devices. This setup delivers reliable sound quality for most users, without getting into the complexities of more niche codecs like aptX or LDAC, which are generally reserved for higher-end earbuds. The TOZO T21 earbuds stand out in the crowded market of budget-friendly audio devices, not just for their affordability, but also for their impressive performance, closely rivaling that of earbuds equipped with dynamic drivers. At the heart of the TOZO T21 earbuds are their advanced 14.2 mm dynamic drivers, which are larger than those found in many comparable models. This larger driver size is crucial as it enables the earbuds to produce a fuller, richer sound with deeper bass and more transparent highs. Moreover, TOZO has optimized the acoustic architecture of the T21 earbuds to enhance sound delivery further. The earbuds feature a semi-open design, which not only contributes to a more natural listening experience, but also helps in expanding the soundstage. Another significant aspect of the TOZO T21's performance is its ability to maintain clarity and detail at various volume levels. This is achieved through meticulous tuning of the drivers to balance the bass response with the mid and high frequencies, ensuring that the bass is powerful without overshadowing the mids and highs. This careful tuning mimics the performance of more expensive earbuds with dynamic drivers, making the T21 a standout in its price range. The TOZO T21, like its predecessors and other budget-friendly earbuds on the market, does not feature active noise cancellation, ANC. Instead, it offers passive noise isolation, which relies purely on the earbud's design to block out ambient noise. The semi-in-ear design of the TOZO T21 means that they don't seal your ear canal entirely. This design choice has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it can be more comfortable for people who dislike the pressure that in-ear designs can create. However, the trade-off is significant when it comes to noise isolation. Without a tight seal, these earbuds let in more external sounds than their in-ear counterparts. In practice, this means you'll still hear quite a bit of your surroundings, whether it's the rumble of a train or the buzz of office chatter. Moreover, the passive noise isolation these earbuds offer can enhance your listening experience by reducing some of the ambient noise without the complexity and cost of active noise cancellation technology. This makes the TOZO T21 a great budget option for users who prioritize convenience, comfort, and cost over high-end noise cancellation. For microphone quality, the TOZO T21 earbuds pack a punch well above their weight class. Equipped with dual microphones, these earbuds deliver clear and consistent call quality, making them a reliable choice for anyone. The microphones do a commendable job of reducing background noise, ensuring that your voice comes through loud and clear, even in moderately noisy environments like busy streets or bustling cafes. What sets the T21 apart in the budget category is its ability to handle calls without the tinny or distant sound that plagues many lower-priced earbuds. The TOZO app acts as your command center, connecting seamlessly with the T21 earbuds. Pairing is straightforward right from the get-go. Once connected, the app's clean and intuitive interface invites you to tweak settings and personalize your listening experience. It also offers a range of EQ settings to suit various listening preferences, which is a boon for audiophiles looking to customize their soundscapes. The app provides several presets. Each preset adjusts the sound profile to emphasize different aspects of your music. The TOZO T21 earbuds pack a serious punch regarding battery life. You can enjoy up to 9 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, which is impressive for earbuds at this price point. But that's not all. When you factor in the charging case, you're looking at an additional 34 hours of juice. Plus, for those who prefer cutting cords completely, the T21 supports wireless charging. After spending quality time with the TOZO T21 earbuds, I must say they stand out as a solid choice for anyone looking to get good quality sound without breaking the bank. For their price, they offer features that rival some of the more expensive options out there. Head over to the official TOZO store below to grab your pair today.